A couple of years ago, I purchased a well-constructed Carl Goldberg half-A Blazer. It was powered by a Cox 049 Bay B, but I switched that out this year with a Fox 049. I can remember seeing the kit at a hobby shop when I was a kid. I do not remember the thermal hopper or the Holland Hornet, but I do remember the Bay B. In the last couple of years, I purchased a Cox thermal hopper and a Holland Hornet, and I have flown it in a Starduster. I have heard the Holland Hornet can be as powerful as a Cox TD. I also purchased a half-A Viking. The Viking looks much like the Blazer, except it's larger, and it's a high thrust configuration. I had built a Viking myself and used an electric motor. This is a flight with the Cox 049, and I don't think it was broke in. I couldn't seem to lean it out, but it just brought it up real gradual like. But I could tell the plane flew really well. I used the Fox 049 because there was a tank available that had the same back mounting as the Bay B, so it was easy to install the Fox 049. The power seems to be about equivalent, I think, to a Cox Medallion. I made several flights with it at the Nats this year just for fun. This first flight I had it a little bit too lean, and John Lorbecki had helped me some with this. This engine can be really tough to hand start, and I was having some trouble starting it with the electric starter, and then John helped me some, and it didn't start all that well. I think maybe I had gotten it flooded. It's a good thing I had RDT, because in one flight it was headed right for the pond, and I managed to land it just before going in the water with the RDT. This was a longer flight and got up pretty high. In the glide, it was taking it off over towards those metal buildings at Muncie, and I gave it the RDT probably just in time because it landed just short of that. So I'd like to hear about other people's experiences with a half-A Blazer. People seem to have a pretty positive opinion of this plane. The half-A Viking, not so much, although it's worked out pretty well for me. But it seems like it's too much airplane for an 049 to haul up. Well, thanks for the comments on some of these videos. I appreciate that.